This is Hayden Cardiff here for another 60 Seconds of Safety. And today, I want to dive into driver turnover. More importantly, I want to talk about the consequences of having a high driver turnover. So first and foremost, its cost. Atri puts the cost of placing a driver at about $8,300, but those costs can easily balloon, and we've talked to fleets where those costs are $10,000, $12,000, and $15,000 per driver, not to make them better, but just to put another driver back in that seat. Obviously, that is a huge hit to your team and your overall bottom line. But on top of that, some of the other things that are really impactful when it comes to driver turnover is also your safety. So as you start to turn drivers over and have them leave your fleet, that's knowledge share and transfer that's leaving as well. You're having to go in and retrain and reallocate resources to get drivers up to speed or up to the current knowledge base of where they were, instead of continuing to dive in and make them better. Also, on top of that, your brand in the market as far as a reputable fleet to work for is going to take a hit. Those drivers aren't leaving thinking you were the best fleet to work for in their career. They're leaving because of disgruntled behavior. They're leaving because of the fact that they felt disrespected or less pay or not meeting expectations that you set during the pre-hire process. For some reason, they're leaving and they're taking a bad rep with them. And so that's going to circulate and going to make it harder to bring on new drivers as time continues to move forward. So again, there's so many different negative consequences for having a high turnover. That's why it's so important to try to jump in front of that and really reduce that turnover within your fleet. To learn how to do that, I'd love to invite you to check out our webinar next month, and you can sign up for that at idelic.com, and we're excited to see you there. Thanks again. This is another 60 Seconds of Safety.